guys, welcome to today's makeup tutorial. I'm doing a crystal eyeshadow look using the Beauty Bay Living My Best Light eyeshadow trios. These are crystal inspired eyeshadows and they're really sparkly. I'm going to zoom in. They do look more sparkly in real life, but the camera doesn't seem to be picking up for some reason. And yeah. Please subscribe if you enjoy this video. I will be doing more tutorials and different kinds of looks. To get started with this look, I'm just going in with the Matte Poreless foundation by Maybelline, and I'm also going in with the Born This Way Too Faced concealer, and it's a multi-use sculpting concealer. I'm going in with the E.l.f. Jelly Highlighter whilst my foundation and concealer is still wet, and I'm going on top of that with the Dull Light Shine Bright Highlighter. Then I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Under Eye Brightening Powder. I use this all over my face though. I'm taking the Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, and it's a HG one. I'm taking the colour Thanks a Latte and just going all over my eyelids as a base. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC Dark Deepest bronzer, and I'm just taking it down the contours of my nose and up above my eyelids, just in the crease. Then I'm going back with the Violet Voss palette, and I'm going with the colour Are You Kidding Me? And with the Beauty Bay Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow in the colour Precious Topaz, and then I'm adding a pop of Moonstone over that. I'm taking the shade Router and just popping that just above my crease and blending it out again with my finger. Next I'm just going to colour in my brows, and then I'm going over them to lift them with the Soap Brows product, and then I'm doing my eyeliner off camera because it's easier. Then I'm going in with a Jefree Star liquid lipstick in the shade RedRum. I'm just taking my Morphe Contour and Highlight palette. This is a Hi-Fi palette, and I'm just going in with the shade Debutante. Going in with my Revolution Supreme Hold setting spray, and I'm also going back in with a bit more of my highlighter, which is the Dull Light Shine Bright Highlighter. And the last product I'm going in with is the NARS Orgasm Blusher, just to add a bit of depth to my cheeks. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's tutorial. please subscribe and like and comment, and if you have any other looks you want me to do, then please let me know. Thank you. Welcome to today